The future of overland luxury has arrived, and it's bigger, bolder, and more unstoppable than anything GMC has ever imagined. Meet the 2027 GMC 6x6 luxury expedition truck, a six-wheel American beast engineered to dominate deserts, mountains, and everything in between. This isn't just a camper, it's a rolling fortress of technology, power, and pure adventure. At first glance, the design is nothing short of intimidating. The massive 6x6 stance commands attention, stretching longer and wider than a traditional pickup. Aggressive LED light bars slice through the darkness, while sculpted armored panels give the truck a futuristic, tactical presence. The towering suspension and colossal off-road tires glide over rocks, sand, and snow as if the terrain barely exists. From reinforced skid plates to the rugged rooftop expedition rack, every detail screams purpose-built exploration. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from rugged machine to an ultra-luxurious command center. The cabin feels less like a truck and more like a high-end mobile cockpit. Premium leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and subtle ambient lighting surround passengers in comfort. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, integrating navigation, off-road telemetry, and vehicle diagnostics into one seamless interface. Behind the front seats, the Expedition Camper module transforms the truck into a luxury micro-apartment, complete with a compact kitchenette, fold-out sleeping quarters, climate control, and smart storage designed for extended off-grid adventures. But luxury means nothing without serious power, and this 6x6 monster delivers. Under the hood, the Expedition truck is rumored to feature a twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain producing more than 800 horsepower. Power flows to all six wheels through an advanced torque vectoring drivetrain, delivering unstoppable traction on mud, sand, and steep mountain trails. Massive adaptive suspension dampers constantly adjust to terrain conditions, keeping the ride smooth whether crawling through rocky valleys or cruising on the open highway. Technology and safety push this machine even further into the future. Advanced terrain mapping cameras generate a real-time 3D view of obstacles beneath the vehicle. GMC's next-generation driver assistance system can manage highway driving while constantly monitoring road hazards. Integrated satellite connectivity, solar roof panels, and a high-capacity battery pack allow the camper system to operate independently for days without external power. So what does a rolling expedition palace like this cost? Early estimates suggest a starting price near $450,000, placing it among the most extreme luxury adventure vehicles ever built. Yet compared with custom expedition rigs that cost even more, the GMC 6x6 offers factory-built reliability combined with unmistakable American style and capability. In a world where adventure meets innovation, the 2027 GMC 6x6 luxury expedition truck stands as a symbol of freedom, power, and limitless exploration. It's not just transportation, it's a gateway to the wild. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And tell us in the comments, which feature impressed you the most about this ultimate off-road camper beast?